Yeah, you wanna be just like me. Yeah, you wanna be just like me.
Dumbass.
हम लोग का बिल्डिंग का पूजा आने वाला है।
मैंने बोला एक्चुअली वो बट
हीरोइन घर में
फिलहाल मैगी बन रही है फिर आगे Hi guys, this is
नहीं on beat. 1, 2, 3, go. Hey guys! Oh my god. If you forgot again, second video in row and she forgot the intro again.
Okay, fine. It's hi guys, right?
Hey guys.
Hey guys.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, go.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. This is Natalie.
Priyanka and
Vibes.
let's end whatever.
It's fine. That's fine. Anyway, so today we are going to be playing Who's Most Likely. We did this before
And we are doing this again, but like,
because I did not edit that video.
gee.
I did not because I have to take it out of the camera and it's a big hustle. Anyway,
Anyways, let's start.
if I ever get that video out of the camera, I will edit it and I post it.
It's like part 1 and this is part 2.
But we'll probably post this before that. So this will be part 1, that will be part 2. Whatever. We are gonna play Who's Most Likely To today. So I have got some Google questions about who's most likely to.
Gemini?
I searched up some questions for who's most likely to, and we are going to answer today. Yay! Yay! The excitement! Yay!
Okay, fine. Let's get started.
Okay. Who's most likely to win the lottery and then immediately lose the ticket?
Ticket?
Yeah, lose the ticket. Like win the lottery and then immediately lose the ticket. I love how she went me and then stopped.
I thought क्यों तू money बोलेगी इसलिए like it
Lose all the money because she
yeah.
loses. No, just lose the ticket. I am more clumsy, but I don't lose things.
Actually नहीं क्योंकि मैंने आज ही अपने दिन घुमा दी हो सकती हूँ मैं क्योंकि मैंने आज ही दिन घुमा
If it's official thingies, I make sure that I keep them all locked together, like stuff like that. So I don't think it would be me. Who's most likely to sing karaoke spontaneously?
मेरे घर तक आवाज आती है I swear
I can start like even before this I was singing. So who's most likely to try a weird new food just for the experience?
Not me. मैं कभी ऐसे काम नहीं कर सकती मेरे को देख के पसंद नहीं आता तो मैं खाती नहीं
I guess yeah, I really
मुझे दही देख के पसंद आता तो मैं खाती ही नहीं मैंने देख के पसंद नहीं किया उसको इसलिए मैं खाती नहीं ऐसी बहुत सी चीजें जिसको मेरे को देख के पसंद नहीं आता इसलिए मतलब मेरे को खाना भी नहीं है उसको तो दूर रहे भाई मेरे को नहीं खाना है तेरे को
Not today. Thank you. No, but I think I like eating because it's in specific terms noodles. I like to try new types of noodles and I keep asking my brother to buy them for me and then I buy it and then don't like it and I always go back to Maggie. Who's most likely to stay up all night binging a TV show? I stay up all night more than her, so it's gonna be me because we do both binge watch things. But I'm gonna say staying up all night me.
मैं 12-1 बजे सोई थी
My general's 3 o'clock. But nowadays I'm like because I have like a cough and stuff. I'm sick, so every day I'm like out by 1, 2. But that also 1 and 2. Who's most likely to get lost in their own neighborhood?
कौन हो नहीं होगा कोई भी
Maybe you, because one day we were coming back from Garba and this bitch goes, we live here for so long. She travels every day to college and she goes, wait. We decided to rather than we have two sides of the station. So from one side when you get down you get rickshaws and stuff to come to our house. But then the other side is like a shortcut, so you like you can just walk home. we go from the side where we walk home from, and she goes, "Oh, where are we? Where are we?" I'm like, "You travel from this exact side every day, and you're asking me, ki, oh, where are we?"
ठीक है गरबा खेल के थोड़ा बहुत खेल जाता है शुरू में like
Oh my god, like she just goes, ये कहाँ है हम लोग? And we legit have together walked there from there to go to college, and she goes, where are we?
वो लोग एक्सप्लेन भी कर रहे थे तो यहाँ से जाती है ये रास्ता है मैं मतलब फिर भी लाइक हाँ ठीक है बट अंदर से ये चल रहा है कि मैं किधर हूँ भाई मेरे को समझ में नहीं आ रहा था
Clueless as heck, like every day travels from there. And maybe it's because you've never seen it at night.
हाँ हो सकता है
Probably because we were that day was the only day we came so late.
वो डे हेक्टिक भी था तो तुझे पता है उसके पहले क्या हुआ था गरबा के पहले लाइक आई वाज वेटिंग फॉर दैट गर्ल
During the Garba, we were waiting for one of the friends to come, and she took like legit five ever to come. So that's what was the problem.
मैं 1 घंटा पूरा बाहर थी और 1 घंटे तो अंदर खेल रहे थे और मेरी जान जा रही थी
So that was the big issue. So we were like, क्या बोलते हैं, थोड़ा
हाँ
it's fine. Who's most likely to become a millionaire? It's both because we are planning to do everything together. So it's either both or not.
no.
Exactly. Who's most likely to forget someone's name right after being introduced? Her. She has a problem with calling people by their name for some reason. My little brother, Chiku, you guys know him.
Of course.
Chiku's real name is Devash, okay? And this lady keeps like legit there. I think we have video proof of this thing. She looks at him dead in the eye and is calling him Adarsh, and she's like, why is he not listening? I'm like, maybe if you call him by his name, he'll listen. But she's like, Adarsh. And she's like, why is he not listening?
मैं हूँ मैं मेरे फैमिली मेंबर्स के नाम भी याद नहीं रख पाती मैं लाइक हाँ वो किधर है एक्चुअली नहीं होता है वैसे लाइक चाची किधर है ये किधर है नाम नहीं याद है मेरे इजी वे अगर नाम भूल जाओ बोल देना चाची किधर है ये किधर है
रिलेशन तक
जानेगा लाइक
Who's most likely to laugh at their own jokes the hardest?
इट वुड बी यू नॉट मी
Yeah, of course.
क्योंकि मैं जोक्स क्रैक ही नहीं करती यही
But
है
even if you're telling me something, you will finish telling and then maybe you'll find it funny. But I sometimes like die laughing even before I am saying the joke. Like,
वही
I'm
वो
like,
बोलने से पहले तो 10 बार हंसेगी 1-2 घंटा हंसेगी उसके बाद की लाइक हाँ ये जोक था उसके बाद में मेरे को बोलना पड़ता है बहन अब तेरा हो गया तो मेरे को बता दे तो मैं भी हंसूँ यार ऐसे कंपनी दूँ तेरे को नहीं
now this is hypothetical questions or silly. Who is most likely to survive a zombie apocalypse? Apocalypse. There we go. Apocalypse. Survive. I'm gonna say me. I'm more aggressive. And I run faster.
Could be, but हाँ ठीक है उसमें भागने का कुछ नहीं होता है
Also-
दिमाग लगाने का जरूरत होता है
Also, if we get scared of something, I have the instinct to like run away. She has the instinct of sitting down. I swear to God, like the vlog we did when we went out, I picked her up and her instinct was to scream and sit on the floor. Come on, like if you do something to her, if it like jokingly hitting her, she'll just like this and on the floor.
God, why are you hitting me?
And she's on the floor. No running away instincts at all. She'll just sit.
नहीं मैं मर जाऊंगी और भागूंगी नहीं
Who's most likely to talk to animals?
एनिमल्स
Talk to them, yeah.
हाँ
Me?
हाँ तूने एक बार बोला था कि अगर मेरे पास अगर सुपर पावर होती
I would talk to animals.
एनिमल्स या
It seems cool to me. Yeah, I would really love to know what they want to say. But I have fear of dogs, but I don't fear other animals much. So yeah, it's me.
बट नहीं अगर तू उनका अगर उनको समझ पाएगी अगर वो क्या बोल रहे हैं तो फिर तो
Maybe I'll be less scared. Yeah. Who's most likely to secretly be a superhero?
सुपर हीरो अगेन हाँ क्योंकि लाइक ठीक है अगर मेरे को भी कोई प्रॉब्लम रहता है तो मैं इसी के पास आती लाइक शी इज माई सुपर हीरो या
but I think क्या बोलते हैं, if you were a superhero would be less obvious. You know, you would be like, it's easy, like, you know, Shaktiman and ये क्या बोलते हैं, Shaktiman वाला, where people cannot tell if it's him or not. It will be like, you will be like you won't be like, if क्या बोलते हैं, we are talking and we are in a group of people, you will be the last person people would expect to be a superhero.
Yeah.
You will be better hidden superhero. That's what I think. We're back.
तो हर बार बोलने की जरूरत नहीं है, उनको थोड़ा ना मालूम कि हमको कट कर रहे हैं. They don't know ना.
Now they do. They told them.
हाँ ठीक है.
Anyways, who's most likely to build a time machine in their garage?
Time machine.
Like build a time machine. Secret.
I don't think so.
They're both not genius like that. No. I'm better at craft. If you make like time machine as a craft, like a model of time machine, maybe I'll do it. I don't know. I cannot.
अगर उसका स्टोरी बनाना हो तो हाँ.
We can like क्या बोलते हैं, we can write, we can like do craft, but I'm not genius like that to even think about it. You cannot ask me one thing I would know about what to use in a time machine. I don't know metal. That's the only thing I know, but it's okay. Who's most likely to befriend an alien? You would look at an alien and be like, yeah, that's my friend.
Yeah. Like दोनों ठीक है. Like अच्छा लगेगा ना. Like एक अलग ही like प्रजाति है. मजा आएगा. Friends बनने में.
I don't know about me. I never think about aliens so deep.
अरे मजा आता है.
I would like to talk to them and like understand like what's different on your planet, like stuff like that. Yeah, that I would enjoy as well. So I guess that.
मजा आएगा.
Okay, personality habits. Who's most likely to organize everything in color-coded bins? Organize in color-coded.
Color coded तो नहीं, but organize of course. वो मैं ही हूँ पूरी.
I do organize.
तेरे से तो ज़्यादा मैं रखती हूँ at least.
I do not care much.
Like I don't care. मेरा घर जैसा भी I don't care. So in case अगर move हो भी रहे दूसरी जगह पे, like हम दोनों से, तो organize तो मैं ही रखूँगी, dusting and all. खाना ये बनाती. वो मेरा काम नहीं है. मैं मेरे घर पे भी नहीं बनाती खाना. Like मैं किचन में एंट्री नहीं मारती.
The cook and you are the
cleaner. तूने मेरे को maid बोला.
So I'm also your cook, right?
Yeah, I'm a cooker.
I'm a cooker, guys. I'm not the cook. I'm a cook. Who's most likely to be a morning person? I cannot do it. I cannot. I legit can. You can ask me to stay awake the whole night and then not sleep in the morning. That maybe I might be able to pull. But I cannot wake up early in the morning. It kills me to wake up in the morning. Sometimes I do. Sometimes I just randomly wake up.
हम लोग का योगा भी इसकी वजह से बंद हुआ था.
Come on.
Come on, हम लोग रोज जाते थे. तो suddenly be like,
I can't go in the morning. You're such a morning person. You should go alone, right?
ऐसा नहीं हो सकता. एक जिसमें दो गाने हो, ऐसा अकेले नहीं जा सकती मैं. अच्छा थोड़ा ना लगता है.
Who's most likely to be a night owl is the next question. It's me. I just said I can stay awake the whole night and then not sleep then even.
अगर मेरे को याद है, अगर मैं गलती से अकेले नीचे भी चली जाऊँ, तो मेरे को वहाँ पे कोई मिल गया जो हम दोनों को जानता है, तो लाइक किधर है तेरी दूसरी पार्टनर, तो अकेले क्यों है. लाइक ठीक है, थोड़ा काम था, मैं किसी को लेने है ना. अगर मैं नीचे गई हूँ तो मैं किसी को लेने ही गई हूँ. अदरवाइज एक शॉप है मेरी बिल्डिंग के जस्ट सामने, उधर से मेरे को सामान लेना होता है, फिर भी वो मेरे साथ.
It's no matter what you though. You can if you have to. You'll go alone down, but I won't.
No, I won't. मैं नहीं चाहती. मैं मम्मी को बोलती हूँ, like मम्मी please.
Do it. I'm not gonna do it. But if I have to do anything, call. Pray we're coming. We have to do that. I cannot.
और जब मैं बोलूँ कि नहीं यार मैं नहीं आ सकती, like ठीक है कोई नहीं, अगले दिन जाते हैं. Like
we are gonna skip the task if we're not going. Yes. Who's most likely to read a book in one sitting? We don't read.
मेरे को actually
books we don't read.
हाँ? Books नहीं.
I don't read books. But if reading, we are saying
अगर वो बुक शेर व शायरी की निकले तो
who's most likely to give the best advice?
बेस्ट एडवाइस ऑफ कोर्स
I give advice a lot. It
like-
depends on you if you think it's good or not. but I give a lot of
It's
advice.
like कि भगवान ने इसको नीचे भेजा है धरती पे सिर्फ मेरे लिए, क्योंकि मेरे को जब कुछ ऐसा कुछ एडवाइस चाहिए होता है मैं इसी के पास आती हूँ, लाइक प्लीज हेल्प मी, लाइक आई एम स्टक.
Who's most
मैं हूँ कौन?
No, things that you do but I don't. The advisor of the group.
So called group of
दो लोग हैं,
people.
we have two people.
Oh my God.
क्या हो गया?
मेरे को ही नहीं मालूम मेरे बारे में.
We don't do anything, bro.
एक है ना, हम जब मिले ना तो हमको एक चीज करना चाहिए, टीवी बंद करके फोन बंद करके एक दूसरे को अच्छे से जानना.
I know you,
बट आई डोंट नो मी.
so that's not something to do with me, right?
तो जब भी मैं पूछूंगी मुझे क्या पसंद है, यू आर लाइक,
Do you know?
तो तुझे वो मालूम होना चाहिए ना, तू मेरे साथ इतना टाइम तक रहती है तो. ओह माय गॉश, सबको अपनी बेस्ट फ्रेंड का मालूम होता है.
But if the best friend never told me that. Okay, I understand. I understand personality traits and stuff. I can tell her better than she does for herself. I understand that. Yes, but this is not a personality trait that what we do better.
और अभी जो मैंने क्वेश्चन पूछा उसका आंसर क्या है?
Well, if I am an advisor, you are क्या बोलते हैं? I don't know. You are better at controlling emotions.
हाँ, राइट.
See, there I do have an answer, but I was thinking more of a like क्या बोलते हैं YouTube based or like some activity based things, which what I was thinking about. That's why I didn't have an answer because we don't do anything. I do know this is a very big like allegation, or even that video where we were doing like क्या बोलते हैं?
और मैंने बोला था
what a telepathy test. I'm still pronouncing it wrong. Telepathy. Is it telepathy? It is. We were doing that, and even in that video, she kept calling me a bad friend. I do know her. I know her personality more than we know about like each other's likings. That also we know. It's just you keep changing.
हाँ, थोड़ा है मेरे.
Who's most likely to tell a really long story that goes off topic all the time?
लाइक मैंने कुछ एक वर्ड, सिर्फ एक वर्ड ये चालू हो जाएगी, खत्म ही नहीं होगी, खत्म ही नहीं होगी.
See, I love speaking. Okay, I like to tell people. Who's most likely to be the calmest in a crisis?
क्राइसिस तू तो बिल्कुल भी नहीं होगी, मैं हूँ फिर भी मैं थोड़ा कंट्रोल कर लेती हूँ.
No, in a crisis, like if something's going wrong, so who's most likely to control it rather than reacting? I think in a crisis,
मैं तो रो दूंगी.
that's what I said. So that's
that's
what I'm thinking. Like if something bad happens, you cry, and I try to control the situation. So it's usually me in a crisis. I'm calmer. General sense, she's more calm than me. I usually have a reaction.
अगर क्राइसिस के टाइम पे बोलो तो मैं रो रही होंगी.
Probably we went to her admission thingy, and we had a slight crisis. And bitch was almost crying over there, and I had to step in. It's her admission. I'm stepping in, and I'm talking to the guy because she's almost about to cry over there.
Like see,
See, this is how I know you. Even without talking and you letting me know that you feel like crying, I took over in like a split second.
हाँ, मतलब इतना इसको पता चल जाता है कि अभी ये मोमेंट पे मैं कुछ नहीं कर पाऊंगी, लाइक उसको हैंडल करना है, तो वो आ जाती है अपने आप आगे. लाइक इतना ठीक है, इतना जानती है वो, ठीक है.
Alright. Who's most likely to overthink everything?
It's me. Like yeah.
It's like I don't overthink. I overthink about like क्या बोलते हैं, my imagination and stuff. That in that a different scenario.
बट जिसको मुझे ओवरथिंक नहीं करना होता है उसको मैं ज्यादा ओवरथिंक कर देती हूँ. जिसको करना होता है उसको नहीं करती. मैं ऐसे ही लाइक ठीक है, हो गया, अब क्या करना है.
We're gonna move ahead from the actual important shit. Act and clean it.
लाइक हम दोनों साथ में हैं तो लाइक ऐसा ही होगा कि मैं क्लीन करूँगी एंड ऑल स्टफ.
Yeah.
ये कुकिंग करेंगे. इसको किचन में भले उसको 2-3 घंटे लग रहे कुछ बनाने के लिए.
2-3 घंटे तो it's minimum for me.
मिनिमम.
Yeah.
कितने घंटे बिताए तूने?
4-5. I'm guessing when I'm making more than one thing, probably.
हाँ बट इसमें इतना पेशेंस है कि लाइक भले ही मेरे को 6 घंटा भी क्यों ना लगे मैं वो बनाऊंगी बट मेरे से तो 5 मिनट का भी पेशेंस नहीं है किचन में लाइक मैं नहीं स्टेपिंग करती किचन में ठीक है क्लीन जल्दी हो जाएगा बेटर
Who's most likely to leave dishes in the sink for days? And as we come to the cleanliness part, I am the less hygienic, but not hygienic. Who's most likely to be caught napping in an unusual place?
नैपिंग एक तो ये लेट तक जागती है
So napping meaning sleeping
हाँ तो तू हाँ
in an unusual place. Like I can be sleeping in we were in a temple.
वही तो मैं बोल रही थी जो मन का टेंस हो रही है आराम से
हम लोग लाइन में
Line
कर रहे
में
for a turn and like the whole time I'm moving by the way when we are moving like I wake up for a split second we move ahead back to sleep we get up we move ahead back to sleep so the first video that I put on this channel was that and there the reason I don't have much content because the whole time I was so sleepy I had zero sense to get up and like make some videos we did so much fun stuff but I did not record nothing come on who's most likely to be the life of a party
कोई नहीं हम दोनों में से किसको पार्टी ही नहीं
we don't
पसंद
go to parties but having party at home yummy
तो यही होती मेरे को भाई सोने दो
she's like I have to like
Pull
her up to like let's dance with even if it's just us two she still refuses to like get up and enjoy
लाइक टीवी पे गाना चल रहा है तो डांस कर रही हूँ मैं बैठी हूँ लाइक हाँ एंजॉय
yeah
यू एंजॉय आई एम नॉट गोइंग
who's most likely to get lost while hiking
हाइकिंग
yeah I think I'm better at directions than you
मैं ही होंगी पक्का
probably
एक तो हाइकिंग मेरे से होता नहीं है और
yeah
ऊपर से अगर मैं कर
she
भी
doesn't like
नहीं
walking at all. Oh my god! Every single time we go outside, oh my god, how long is it going to take? Oh my god, how much do I have to walk every single time?
ठीक है
Thought. Who's most likely to get? Who's most likely to try skydiving? Are you scared of skydiving? Yeah. So I
मेरे को तो हाइट से ही डर लगता है मैं उतना ऊपर से नीचे देखूंगी और गिरूंगी भी तो लाइक
I'm gonna say me, but I think I'll enjoy it the second time more than I'll do the first time.
फर्स्ट टाइम
I usually am like definitely scared to try the first time, but whenever I do, like even like water park rides, I do it once, then I enjoy it. Then I'll do the second time very easily. I think first time would kill me, but like somebody has to push me off. We skydive once, and I'm never the first one to say I'll never do this again. No, I'll do it again. Usually I'll do it again, unless the first time I like did not enjoy it. So of course I won't. But I really like to do things over and over again. That's why we go to the same water park every year. Who's most likely to take a spontaneous road trip?
इसमें मैं हूँ भाई ये मैं करूँ
I'm gonna say I hate cars, so I'm gonna say it's gonna be her.
I love cars
I hate.
it's एक जीप भी
I think if my car, then I'll look at. I hate the ACs in car. Like it gives me nausea. So I think if it's my car, I'll control it. So I will be more likely to like.
विंडो खोलने का ऑप्शन होता है नो
I know that. That's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying. That when we're going as a family and stuff like that, I cannot control somebody else's car, can I? So that's what I'm saying. So if it's my car, I'll control it however I like. So maybe I'll be down to. Who's most likely to explore an abandoned building? Guys, I watch Sam and Kobe. That's all I have to say. I love watching Sam
फिर
and
रात
Kobe.
में इसकी जो फटती है ना
I am
shit
I do what? It sounded like you say I shit my pants at night.
no. मैं कुछ बोलने वाली थी बट हंसी आ गई मेरे को एक बार मैं इसके साथ रात रुकी थी और ये ना इधर कैलेंडर है तो उसके पेजेस वो हिलते हैं ना तो आवाज
Because she showed me a movie that was scary right before we tried to sleep. Okay, it's not my movie.
ब्लैक
Yeah, we were watching that and then I got
हॉरर
scared.
नहीं है वो,
It's not horror, but I
बट
was
उसमें
scared.
रात का सीन था, that's why.
It was like everything just that. So even I started imagining like another me walking in through the door and stuff
वही,
like that. So I
और
got
पीछे
scared.
से कोई आ रहा है, मुझे किसका आवाज आ रहा है, मुझे कहाँ पे कोई दिख रहा है.
So that's my everyday life. That's how I live with. And right off a scary movie, I'm very scared to fall asleep. So my biggest fear is sleeping alone. Cannot do it.
That way.
Who's most likely to become a famous artist, musician, or actor? Again,
दोनों.
together.
वही,
Together.
together.
If not,
We
then
are
no.
together.
Who's most likely to invent something crazy?
Something crazy.
I don't know, a dance move than me. Like a person a new
A
dance
crazy
move.
people can create some crazy things. So
You call me crazy?
yes, you are.
Crazy.
No need to call you crazy person. You're actually crazy person. You know that. You are.
Who's most likely to become a professor?
We
We both are studying for the same thing, so I don't know.
I'm
Both of
studying
us.
BA and she's also.
I'm studying BA as well.
But
And the same degree.
abhi to you are not studying, na?
Right now I'm a year behind her, that's why. But we are going to do the same thing. So who's most likely to master a new skill in a week?
Master skill in a week. मैं थोड़ा कुछ करती हूँ. But हाँ वो तू ना हाँ.
Me, I'm gonna say because I do like
एक तो मेरे को देख रही है, मतलब अब मेरे को समझा तू मेरे को क्यों देख रही थी कि तू मैं ऐसा बोल पाऊँ कि वो तू.
exactly. I'm not gonna say it's me. That sounds little.
मैं खुद के मुंह से खुद की तारीफ अच्छी नहीं.
नहीं लगती. But I think I like sometimes I see something and then I'm like I got to try this out. So that was it. We are maybe going to do more like this probably. बाकी दूसरा कोई vlog बाहर निकालना पड़ेगा उसके लिए. So probably in this format of video more. So that is it for today's video, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye.
Bye. See you in the next one. Bye. Hey, I want to show you my
Piercings.
yes.
Nose piercing and then you did the ears.
मैंने उसमें रिंग लगाई नहीं है, बट जब मैं लगाऊंगी तब पक्का दिखाऊंगी.
Alright.
Right, bye bye.
Bye bye.